Hello, I'm going to show you how you can create this exact kind of flyer using your smartphone. Today's we're going to be featuring this design from Dave Graphics, and I'll show you exactly how you can create something like this in a very short time. Let's jump right into the video. Do it to like this video, subscribe, and tell me where you're watching from. The first thing we are going to do is to clean off this background, and I'm going to do that by clicking this dark color here. The size of this design is this 1038 for the 1038, 37 for the width, and 1280 for the height. Now, the first thing I want to bring right here is this background. So this is the background. I'm going to place it. I'm going to place it right here. All right, it's okay like that. Okay. Now we're going to bring in the original design, which we are going to be picking some colors from. So this is it right here. All right, so this is it. I can see how cool and sharp it is. All right, so I'm going to reduce it right here. Okay, so quickly I'm going to come over here. I'm going to bring in this image we're going to be working on, right? So this is the image. I'm going to bring it to the front. So this is the image we'll be using for the design. I'll bring it here. All right, so I'm going to bring in this lens I'm going to use to blend this background. Now there are several colors that you have there. So we have this color. We're going to click here. We're going to pick the color from the cloth. So we have this color here. It's looking more like a purple, so I'm going to put it here. All right, then also we have other colors. So we have other colors. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click here, and then select. We have something bluish at the bottom base there. All right, so put it at the bottom here. All right, so also we have, I just deleted something. Also we have another color here. By this part of the design here, we're going to click here. I'm going to click here, and then we'll choose this color. All right, so something like that though. Then this dark one, this one, I'm going to duplicate it. I will bring it here again. I get it now. So we have something like that already. All right, which is for that. Then we're going to bring in the flag that we're going to be using, which is this one right here. I'm going to put it and drag it like this and put it right there. Let's drag it. Let's put it there. We'll send it to the back. All right, then we'll send this one to the back too. So we have something like that. Then the flag is looking very dull for me, so I'm going to come over here and then increase the saturation a little. All right, then also I'm going to change the background of the original design to be this. So if we do that, we're going to have something like this. So let's remove this one. We're going to have something like this. All right, then we're going to bring in this guy here, this image. We're going to bring in this image of just this New York. We'll put it there. All right, reduce it like this and put it there. All right, we're going to send it. Okay, so we'll carry this image. So we'll pick this image here like this, hold it, and then move it to the top of this guy. You do it like that, it means okay. All right, so I have to bring in these guys to the front again. Let's see this one and this one. The last one will come to the front. Okay, so we have something like this, right? So after that, we want to bring in the logo. All right, so let's bring in. Actually, let's bring in this logo. Do it to like this video. All right, please like it. Every time you like the video, you are a supporter indeed of this channel. You are really a supporter. Thank you for your support. All right, so I'm going to put this here and click on this and reduce it and bring it to that end somewhere there. Let's move the building towards this part. All right, just there. All right. All right, so the next thing I want to do, if you notice at the base or the back of the building, there's also this glow. So the glow is like a pink. If you look at it very well, you see it's like pink. All right, so get it here. All right, so something like that, but you're going to reduce the opacity like this. I want it to be very sharp, so come here, select this. I want it to be very sharp. All right, okay, so it's going to be like that, right? So like that. All right, so we'll send it to the back, then we'll send this one to the back too, like this. This will have something like that. If you check very well again, next thing you want to do is to bring in this one also. This guy here, you bring it towards this part here. All right, just to create that effect. We'll send this one to the back, so we have something like this. All right, then we'll just enhance the image here a little, just increase the contrast a little. Okay, so saturation a little, just that. All right, so after that, this pink here is too much. Let me lock this image. This pink shadow is too much, not this one. Let's lock the flag referring to this particular one here is too much, so let's move it here small. All right, so after that, the next thing you want to do is bring in the text. So the text that are there is, all right, so it has this text SB Life Yankee, so it's gonna be S B. All right, so let's look for any font that we can use. All right, so it's a script font, so we'll go to font here. All right, so the font I'm using is this one that says Shintaku. All right, so I'm just going to stretch it like this. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put it as white. All right, so I'm going to drag it and I'm going to put it there. Come over here, click on padding and make sure that the text is open. Then I'll bring it here. Now from the original design, this guy is going to go to the top together with all the other guys. So let's say one, one, two, three, four, five. All right, then we'll move it to the top. All right, so at the base there, we can copy one of these. Not that. You can copy one of these. I can use it to form that base. All right, just do it like that and put one there and there, which is done. So we'll copy this guy, we'll bring it to the front. There two. All right, so we'll put one there and we'll copy and remove this B. All right, then bring back the B, remove the X. So put the B there, remove the S, and just put the B somewhere there like that. I'm just going to focus on just this text. All right. All right, so something like this, and then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to bring in this guy. Okay, so I'll just quickly clean out the eraser, and I'll come here and I'll clean out this particular king here. Doing that, I'm going to have this. I'm going to bring it here. Now that's this. I'm going to bring it here. I'm going to change the color now to white. Do it to like this video and then share it with a friend. I'm going to reduce it. I'm going to put it right there. So like this. All right. All right. So King Yankee life. So I'm going to copy this. All right. And just put the life there. All right. So come here. Select the red if you want from the original design. It's a very sharp red. So we'll come here, put it there. So I'm going to put this here. Put this one here. All right. Put it here like this. Or we can even put it like this here. Then we can get a circle. All right. Then the same red that we just used, we'll put it there. Do it like, share, and drop a comment. So just reduce it there. Reduce it again. Reduce it again. All right. So the other word in Yankee, the Yankee, yes, in Yankee. So yeah. All right. So we look for a font that's a little bit long. All right. So that's that. So I'll put it here. I don't like this font, even though it looks okay, but I don't like it. So I want something simple. So watch what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to mesh this together. No, not this one. With these together. I'm going to mesh them together. Make sure you have liked the video, you've shared it, you're subscribed. Right, so I'm going to do this now. All right, so I'll bring this here. I'm going to drag it or like give it a space. All right, so yeah, I'm going to put a word like life in Yankee. Yeah, key. Is it Yanka? All right, then. Yeah, I'm going to do this. Okay. All right. So this, I'm going to change it to red. Then this, I'm going to change it to white. All right. So I'm going to reduce it. Reduce it. Put it there. Then I'm going to stretch it out like this. Okay. So if you come here, you'll see it. Just click here, you'll see it. You bring it there. Just copy it. Bring it there. All right. So this one can be here. Okay. All right. So yeah, it's gonna be after you put this one there, you're gonna get copy it. All right. We're gonna put another one here, which is gonna say this Saturday, right? This Saturday. Right, this time around, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna put it there. Gonna do it like this. Gonna give it a background. All right. If you want to pick the exact background, you can pick it from this dark blue here. All right. So it's quite reduced like this. Come on. All right. Then we can give it a little lift here. Give it a little lift here. Then we can, I think that's not bad, that's okay. Then we can come here. All right, so just copy this guy, reduce it, bring it here. All right, then copy, bring this guy here too. All right, then we can bring this to the top. All right, so the next one is we're going to use this guy to do something. So I'm just right here for booking. All right, so do it to like this video. So for bookings, I'm gonna put it here. All right, so I can change the color to this color or any light blue. Let's say this one. All right, put it there like that. Then I'll copy this and put it here and list whatsoever information that should be listed. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to remove all this. I'm removing this too. Right, then this is going to go out. This is going to go out. Remove this one. Right, so if I do that, we'll have something like this. We just come over here, change it to white. Right, just reduce it and stretch it out and put it like this. Right, do it to like this video and then share it with a friend. So when you're done with your design, ensure that your design is saved. Click here and click save as project. Right, it's always very important that you save your design as a project like this. All right, so that in case anything happens, you can always go back and open it. Then when you are done, always save your design as ultra. All right, if you want to learn how to save your design in very high quality, please check the description. I'm going to drop a video or a playlist that will teach you how to do that. My name is Niamuda. Thank you for watching to the end, staying true to the end. Your attention and time is very important to me. I really appreciate it. Like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to where you're watching from. I will see you in the next one.